How to install Vivo on PC. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download install on PC in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and simply search for Vivo download and hit enter. Once you've done that, it will show you a list of all the results from where you can download the Vivo. As you can see here, you can download Vivo through Vivo, Google Play, and many more. For this tutorial, I'll be suggesting you to download from Microsoft Store as it is a very reliable source. Simply tap on Microsoft Store and it will take you to another page where you can simply download install. Simply tap on download button. Now it will start downloading in your PC. Simply go to the top arrow. From there, simply double tick or double tap on the Vivo install, and here you can find an option that it will say install. And that's it. That's how you can simply install Vivo on your PC.